Marami po. Magkaaway po kami.
Oh?
Oo.
Anong away?
Siya po.
Dahil sa babae?
Oo.
Oh, tanong ka ba?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
po. Masama po na yung pag-away.
So how do you feel na ito ka na naman na isa ka rin sa naglililig dito sa Wattpad series na to? After, may ano mo yung training ka ba? Di ba?
Training po. Yes.
Oh, training.
I feel very blessed po. Tsaka thankful kasi binigay po yung opportunity to work with Direct Ted po ulit. And all trust lang po kay Direct Ted as rider po. And all the cast din po.
Gano'n. Isang Andres, isang Andre. Kasi Andres, ano ba yan? Ano ba itong mga pangalan nyo? Anong feeling mo? Isang Andre mo lang. Andre Iliana, ang kasama mo na galing sa isang pamilya na
Really, at first po, na-intimidate po ako kasi he's one of, like Andres, one of the known families, co-actors po talaga.
Hindi mo marunong mag-Tagalog?
Marunong naman po.
Gano'n. Sige, tuloy mo lang. Tagalog, please.
Sorry. So, kinabahan po ako noon.
Okay.
Pero, nung nag-workshop po kami, doon po kami nagkakilala na gusto. Ni Andre.
Hindi si Andres, okay.
Ni Andre.
Okay.
Actually,
Si Andres din.
Si Andres po, kasama ka po sa sitcom ng The First Family.
Kasama ko pala. So, sanay ka na kay Andres. Bago ba si Andres?
Oo,
Andres ako. Thank you.
Alright. Because you were thrust into the limelight sa The First Family, but that was with your parents and sister. Ito yung first na ikaw talaga, like you're separated from them. So parang launch mo talaga to into showbiz. How do you feel about it? At bakit, ito mo yung talagang you like to like introduce yourself in public, nga ganito yung material?
Unang-una, so this is my second project, right? And I'm very grateful and blessed to be doing The First Family with my parents and my sister and the other 8 people in the cast. But overall, this project, when it first got pitched and when I heard about the cast, I was really, really excited, super excited actually, guys. I couldn't hide my smile there. And as well, when Direct Ted spoke to me, I felt relieved also because knowing that I get to work with such a great director on a show like this. And even the story, in Mutundang Section E, the fan base is so big and they just have a lot of support from the people, and I just wanted to, get to join that opportunity.
Congratulations, thank you.
Thank you.
Kasi kung magaling ka na mag-Tagalog kayo na compared to the first time na you were launched. Ano yung naging preparation mo? Paano ka gumaling? And similar ba sa real Andres, yung as a student, yung character?
Yung character, okay, unang-una, yung Tagalog ko. Inaaral ko yan araw-araw talaga. Okay? Kahit sa bahay, and also working with my family din sa The First Family. Yung mga eksena natin, puro Filipino, diba? So, I really try to work on it every day, and I try to read them all. And then, yeah. Could you repeat the last part? Sorry.
How similar are you to?
Character. Yes. I would say I'm very similar in the sense na si Kiefer ay super loyal and protective for the people that he cares about, the people of the Section E. And for me, I feel I'm similar in the sense na I'm very loyal and protective to the people that I love the most and the people that I cherish, which is my family and my friends. So thank you.
Relevant. Of course, yung mga changes namin, syempre yung 2016, iba pa yung millennial pa yun eh. Yung mga teenagers. Ngayon, Gen Z na. And for me, I'm very optimistic kasi yung cast ko, sabi ko sa kanila, this will be a collaboration. Kasi at the end of the day, Gen X ako eh. Kayo naman yung totoong Gen Z. Even the writers are millennials. So, sa script reading namin, ayun, nagtatanungan kami, ito ba yung reaction ng Gen Z? Ganito pa rin ba? True enough, pag teenager ka, medyo universal yung experience eh. Parang common pa rin whether you're from for the boomer generation or Gen X or millennial, lahat tayo dumaan sa pagiging high school, lahat tayo dumaan sa first love, first heartbreak, first away ng barkada. And so, kahit yun yung hinuhope ko din, na even if ginawa namin Gen Z, sinulat ng isang millennial, nakaka-relate lahat ng generation because lahat tayo dumaan sa high school na sobrang important part ng buhay natin.
Actually, sa tingin ko hindi na po kami mahihirapan doon kasi ayun nga, pakita nyo kanina, medyo close na po kami kasi po may mga pinagsamahan po kami mga workshops and meron din po kami fight rehearsals and during those times po, nagkakalokolokohan na po kami and ayun, madali po kami naging comfortable sa isa't isa. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
So, gaya ng sabi ni Ashton, hindi na po kami mahihirapan sa band namin lahat kasi sila lahat po tropa ko na eh. Dati pa nakakasama ko na sila Charles, sila Kurt, pero ngayon nakasama na sila lahat sa workshops, sa fight rehearsals, and dami ko mga bagong tropa.
Tapos sa naging preparation ko po, syempre pinasa ko po yung libro para mas maintindihan ko po yung character at yung mga personality ni JJ. And bukod po doon, nag-acting workshops po kami para mas maging comfortable po kami sa isa't isa. Bahan po ako sabihin. Kinakabahan po ako kasi nag-memorize na nga po ako ng script eh. Pero magandang kaba naman po kasi gusto ko po ibigay yung best ko and sana po hindi ko po ma-disappoint